Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to find the inverse matrix of this given 2 by 2 matrix that means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. So in the very first step we are going to find the determinant of this given matrix A. And we will use this fact over here to find the determinant of a matrix. So let's go ahead and find the determinant of this given matrix. The very first step is I want you to cross multiply this way, 4 times -8. So determinant det of A is going to be, when you cross multiply, 4 times -8 is going to be -32, and then right after that one you must always put a minus sign before you do anything else. Now we're going to cross multiply the other way around. 2 times -3 is -6. Now as you can see we have two negative signs that they are multiplying, they are next to each other, so simply that's going to become -32, negative and negative become +6, so that is simplified to -26. So determinant of A turns out to be -26. And in our second step we will find the adjoint of our given matrix. In other words, adj of A will find out. And we will use this fact to find the adjoint of A. So let's go ahead and find the adj of this given matrix A. So adj of A is going to be, the adjoint matrix is going to be simply this one over here. I want you to look at this diagonal, 4 and -8. I want you to just switch these numbers. That means swap them. -8 goes over here and 4 goes over -8 over here this side. So that's going to become -8 and this become 4. You just simply switch these numbers. However, about these two numbers, you just change their sign only. This +2 becomes -2 and this -3 becomes +3, and that is our adjoint matrix. And in our final step we will find the inverse matrix of A by using this formula, 1 over determinant of A times adjoint of A. And we have already figured out our determinant of A and adj of A from our previous step. And let's go ahead and apply these values. So our inverse matrix A inverse matrix equals to 1 over determinant of A is -26 times, let's write down the adjoint matrix, which is -8, -2, 3 and 4. Now as you can see that this 1 over -26, this fraction is multiplying with this matrix. That means this is going to get, this number 1 over -26 is going to get multiplied with each and every member of this matrix. So let's go ahead and multiply it out. So A inverse is going to be simply equal to -8 over -26, -2 over -26, 3 over -26, and finally 4 over -26. Let's go ahead and simplify these fractions. So that is going to give us simply, when you negative and negative, they are gone. So 8 over 26 could be written as 4 over 13. So once again these negative and negative is gone. This is going to become 1 over 13. So that could be written as -4 3 over 26, and over here this is going to be negative 2 over 13. So this is our inverse matrix. Thus our inverse matrix a power negative 1 turns out to be this one, as you can see, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.